How do you say owl?
Coruja.
How do you say keyboard?
Teclado.
How do you say soda?
Refrigerante.
How do you say sunscreen?
Protetor solar.
How do you say peach?
Pêssego.
How do you say octopus?
Polvo.
How do you say thank you?
Obrigado.
How do you say neck?
Pescoço.
How do you say child?
Criança.
How do you say 11?
Onze.
How do you say needle?
Agulha.
How do you say beard?
Barba.
How do you say iron?
Ferro.
How do you say women?
Mulher.
How do you say winter?
Inverno.
How do you say turkey?
Peru.
How do you say keychain?
Chaveiro.
How do you say spider?
Aranha.
How do you say nothing?
Nada.
How do you say walk?
Andar.
How do you say empty?
Vazio.
How do you say mermaid?
Sereia.
How do you say open?
Aberto.
How do you say teacher?
Professor.
How do you say turtle?
Tartaruga.
How do you say sister?
Irmã.
How do you say red?
Vermelho.
How do you say basket?
Cesta.
How do you say gold?
Ouro.
How do you say end?
Fim.
How do you say spring?
Primavera.
How do you say driver?
Motorista.
How do you say yellow?
Amarelo.
How do you say buy?
Comprar.
How do you say baker?
Padeiro.
How do you say passion fruit?
Maracujá.
How do you say dolphin?
Golfinho.
How do you say mustache?
Bigode.
How do you say slap?
Tapa.
How do you say green?
Verde.
How do you say wonderful?
Maravilhoso.
How do you say brother?
Irmão.
How do you say frog?
Sapo.
How do you say lawyer?
Advogado.
How do you say 13?
Treze.
How do you say book?
Livro.
How do you say late?
Tarde.
How do you say grape?
Uva.
How do you say sleep?
Dormir.
How do you say knowledge?
Conhecimento.
How do you say sunglasses?
Óculos de sol.
How do you say baby?
Bebê.
How do you say seaweed?
Alga.
How do you say toothpaste?
Pasta de dente.
How do you say face?
Rosto.
How do you say cherry?
Cereja.
How do you say 20?
Vinte.
How do you say waiter?
Garçom.
How do you say sun?
Filho.
How do you say bye?
Tchau.
How do you say hi?
Oi.
How do you say summer?
Verão.
How do you say rooster?
Galo.
How do you say blue?
Azul.
How do you say daughter?
Filha.
How do you say toucan?
Tucano.
How do you say cellar?
Vendedor.
How do you say toothbrush?
Escova de dente.
How do you say brown?
Marrom.
How do you say tip?
gorjeta,
How do you say which?
bruxa,
How do you say boy?
menino,
How do you say single?
solteiro,
How do you say school?
escola,
How do you say grapefruit?
toranja,
How do you say dry?
seco,
How do you say please?
por favor,
How do you say gray?
cinza,
How do you say early?
cedo,
How do you say hairdresser?
cabeleireiro,
How do you say line?
linha,
How do you say crib?
berço,
How do you say fly?
voar,
How do you say 30?
trinta,
How do you say excuse me?
com licença,
How do you say pig?
porco,
How do you say nurse?
enfermeira,
How do you say white?
branco,
How do you say big?
grande,
How do you say blessed?
abençoado,